Hi, my name is Sherry McTaggart, and I'm in our Education 6110 class. My formative assessment tool that I've chosen to share with you is, and I'm not sure how to say it, it's either Socrative or Socrative. Basically, it's a cloud-based students' response system. I really like it because the students can access it on a computer, a tablet, their cell phone. I can put questions in there so that students can either get immediate feedback, it tells them the right or wrong answer, or tells them if they're right or wrong and then gives them the correct answer if they're wrong. Or I can have it open-ended so that they put in their answers and then I can evaluate them later looking at the results. So it gives you different options that way, which I really like. It also allows you to do true-false questions, multiple choice questions, short answer questions. I have the Socrative website open on the screen. You need to create a room name when you log in. I've used this for a couple of classes, so I just have different rooms. This one I just call Business Ed. This is the one I put most of my accounting stuff in. You have different options, launch, quizzes. Here's the choice of rooms. In this case, I just have the one room, the Business Ed room. And when you're ready to share the quiz with your students, you just go to launch. You can click on, I believe this is like a timed one. You can just do, have students in the room and say, okay, let's do 2 questions quick to see if we understand the material, so you can do the quick questions. Or in this case, I'm going to launch a quiz. So here's my chapter 4 review. I can say, when I launch it, do I want them to have instant feedback? So basically, students can answer questions in order. They can't change their answers once they submit them, but it tells them if they got it right or wrong. There's the open navigation method. They can answer in any order. So this would be more like an assessment style versus this is just kind of a check your understanding. Or I can put up teacher pace so that it only goes up when I want the question to go there. In this case, I'm going to show you the instant feedback option. Launches the quiz. Now here would be where the results would show up, and the results are live. With larger tests, I might just have them show names and their scores at the end, maybe not showing answers. What I like about this, and when we get to that point, it shows which ones are wrong. So if you have, like, everybody gets question 4 wrong, it's a real quick visual to say, oh look, maybe we need to talk about that topic some more. So let's go to this, oops, wrong one, student view. So students log in and they type in the room name. In this case, it was Business Ed. First question is their name, so let's go with Henry Ford. Now I did this as a short answer question, so you could do other types of things for short answers, but in this case I just asked them for their name as a short answer question, and it just says that it was submitted. And then they're going to go through and answer the questions. If they get it correct, it gives them a question mark or check mark. If it's wrong, so let's answer this one incorrectly, it says sorry, got that one wrong, and then tells them what the correct answer should be. So let me go through these real quick now. If I go back to this site, you'll notice as I'm going through, it's live. Here's Henry's. Henry got number 2 right, got number 3 wrong, and got number 4 right. So it's instant feedback as far as how they're doing on the questions. And then let's just do, I'll just guess answers here. I'm not even reading the questions, so I'll probably have quite a few wrong, but we'll. One second here. One left. So now for the student, it just says you've completed the activity, and then it's waiting for the teacher to turn on another activity. But you as the teacher have automatic feedback here's how Henry did. Now, if I had 15 students doing this, it would show me all 15. So that way I can look really quickly and say, oh wow, everybody got number 5 and 6 wrong. I can go back to question 5 and 6 by clicking on it, and it says here was question 5. One student answered, so 100% of them answered B, and so that allows you to kind of see, okay, how did the class do as a whole? If everybody answered the same answer and it was wrong, you can figure out, okay, why do we need to record or fix that? What do I need to reteach? So it's just a really quick feedback. The students can get immediate feedback. You get live immediate feedback. And like I said, especially with a one-to-one school, being able to access this since it's an online option or a cloud-based response system, it works on iPhones, works on Samsung phones, tablets, iPads. It doesn't matter the device. It works for all of them, and it works very quickly. So, all right, that's it for Socrative, and I hope that you find this informative. Thank you.